Hello everyone. So now in this update, I have added an atmosphere to my planet, procedural planet system. So as we can see now we have the atmosphere and the cloud layer, volumetric clouds, and also you see the shadow of the planet as well here. So here we are using the built-in SunSky uh, that that is bundled with Unreal Engine with the planet we have developed. So here is the preview. Now my character is hovering above the away from the gravity zone of the planet, so that's why we can see the planet from this side. But if I move closer to the planet, now I reach the gravity zone, so that's why my character is falling down. And here you see there are clouds over there. Now let me fire up my jetpack so we can stop falling. So there are clouds over there, and as you see the color of the sky changes as I become closer to the ground, and you can see the sun as well over there. So yeah, now the planet has an atmosphere, and this is how it looks on the ground level. Yeah, so let me fire up my jetpack and move closer somewhere we have the sea here, just to demonstrate how the clouds and ocean looks. But yeah, as you can imagine, it's over there. You can see clouds above the sea level, and sun is not visible from this side. So yeah, this is the update, and let me stop the game now. And here, if I go with this SunSky blueprint, this is when you enable plugins, and there is this sun position plugin that is bundled with Unreal Engine. That plugin gives you this sun sky blueprint. So that's what I have added to the level. Once you add that, here if you want to use want to have an atmosphere, use this BPCLM planet, sorry, this one, BPCLM planet SunSky. I should rename this. BPCLM planet SunSky. And here, after you selecting the SunSky, you can see all this SkyAtmosphere component and the WolumetricCloud component. So for the SkyAtmosphere, you need to use this PlanetCenterAtComponentTransform option. So it will use the center of the atmosphere as the center of the planet. And here you can define all these parameters you need: ground radius, and this is in kilometers, by the way. My planet size is 6 kilometers, so that's why I have used 6 kilometers here. And for volumetric cloud, you can define all the settings here, all the usual settings, and all the parameters have these tooltips to understand what each of them are doing. So yeah, that's the update. And in the PlanetGen plugin, you will see this under maps. You can see this planet map Atmos. This is the example map with the atmosphere planet. So yeah, as always, updated project files are available for you to download here in Patreon page and also in Fab. I'll leave links to everything in description below. And if you are interested in learning how to do things by yourself, refer to this playlist where I have explained all the concepts that you need to generate procedural planets and planet gravity, all those things you need to know. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Goodbye.